Are you throwing money at Facebook ads and feeling like you're shooting in the dark? Today, we'll unlock the secret weapon every successful Facebook ad marketer needs: Google Analytics integration. This short tutorial will show you how to connect Google Analytics and Facebook ads, track your website traffic and conversions, and ultimately, squeeze every last drop of ROI from your ad spend. First, head over to your Google Analytics account, click on Admin in the bottom left corner, then navigate to Property Settings, and then under Property Settings, go to Tracking Info and select Tracking Code. Copy your Google Analytics tracking ID. It usually looks like this. You are followed by multiple numbers. Now jump into your Facebook Ads Manager and find the Events Manager. Depending on your setup, you may need to create a Facebook pixel if you already have one. Proceed to the next step. Choose the option to manually add pixel code to website, and this is where you're going to paste your Google Analytics tracking ID. Paste the code before the closing head tag of your website. This allows Facebook to send data collected via the pixel to Google Analytics. Alright, now back in Google Analytics, navigate to Acquisition, then Campaigns, and then click All Campaigns. This is where you'll start to see your Facebook ads data flowing in: sessions, bounce rate, conversion rate, everything you need to measure performance. To analyze specific landing pages, go to Behavior, then Site Content, and then hit Landing Pages. Now you can filter the landing pages data to see how your Facebook ads are performing. This allows you to understand which landing pages are converting best, which ads are driving the most qualified traffic, and identify areas for improvement. By connecting Google Analytics to your Facebook ads, you empower yourselves with the data you need to make informed decisions, optimize your ad spend, and maximize your return on investment. Remember to subscribe for more data-driven marketing tips.